Hello everyone, I'm Grandma Cece with Recreational Services. I'm here to give you a lesson on how to get your Revolution Series canopy top ready for the summer season. After your boat is on the hoist for the season, it's time for the vinyl installation. For the installation of the canopy top, raise the boat up until the clip on the back black strap can be reached. Unclip the black strap on both the front and the rear. Next, flip the roll bar over so the canopy is right side up, ensuring that the exterior of the vinyl is oriented correctly. Grab the roll bar and crank and attach it to one of the roll bars and unroll the canopy all the way. Repeat for the opposite side. Next, you will go to the lakeside and slip the lakeside assist strap through the slit of the canopy frame and into the corresponding side of the strap. Repeat with the other two, making sure it's pulled tight and into the slot at the end of the frame. Go back over the dock side and attach the ratchet to the roll bar ratchet upwards while maintaining pressure on the roll bar. And that way the bar won't unroll itself. Roll the bar all the way up and give a fair amount of pressure once into the clicker. Get into a position where you can give a lot of pressure with the ratchet and get as many clicks as possible. Insert the pins into all four corners, making sure the pin is in the hole and not just in the slot at the end of the roll bar. You may have to turn the roll bar a bit with the ratchet if the holes and the pins don't line up. That is how to install your Revolution Series canopy top. Using a short station is so easy, even Grandma Cece can do it.